Hello guys, and welcome on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So today we are going to see how to do cell formatting using Excel. So if you are new on our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share. Now, in order to format a cell, there is a particular command that you need to take note. Okay, so the first thing you need to understand is that in order to do cell formatting, what you need to focus yourself on is the font group, and in this font group you can do some modifications if the part on your work with which you wish to do the cell formatting is not being selected. So we're going to select the title session. Okay, so we select the title. Let's try to do some modifications on the title. Now I can either modify the font text, okay, or I can also modify the font size. So let's see. So for me to modify the font text, I can just come here and type the text. So as you can see, so long as I'm selecting the font text, you can just see the different modification that's happening on my background, or I can just type the font type with which I wish to work with. So I'm going to work with the Times New Roman, and as you can see, the font type Times New Roman is being shown. Now similarly, you can also modify the size, okay, the font size, whereby you can either increase or you can decrease your font size. Okay, now it's also possible for you to put your text in bold. Okay, maybe you wish your text up to be slightly different from the ones down. You can just put your text in bold, and can see, as you can see, it's been changed without any stress. Okay, now it's also possible, okay, to put your text in italics. Okay, so this is here, and it's also possible for you to underline. You can either double underline or just underline. Okay, now something you need to know is that it's possible in Excel to create a table, not just by going into the insert tab, but by coming into the font into the font group. So I can just either highlight my borders, as you can see here. I can highlight in just the bottom part, the top part, or I can just highlight in all the border. So I would just select, let's try to select all our table. Okay, good. So our table has been selected, so we can just add the borders, or we can just remove the borders, no border. Okay, so as you can see, no border has been inserted, but if I just include, or I just click on all the borders, as you can see, the borders will be included. Okay, now you can see that on my titles, okay, my background color is being different from the text color. The text color is in white, meanwhile the background color is in blue. So let's see how we can modify the background color and the text color. So I wish to put my background color in the orange or the red. It depends on you guys. So I will put instead on the yellow. Okay, I will put a yellow background, and the text I will instead put the green tag. Okay, all this is just for you guys to know how all these commands are being used on Excel. So I wish you guys love the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So bye bye.